Hello friends, welcome to the BDQ Utopia video editing tutorial. Our today's topic is intro skin template using CapCut. Let's begin the tutorial together step by step. I have imported one video and two solid colored images. First, add the green color image to the timeline. I have set the duration of the image to 10 seconds. Now add the white color image and adjust the duration. Add the rectangle mask to the white skin. Change the size and position of the mask. Add the green skin again and adjust the duration. Add the rectangle mask to the green skin and adjust the size and position. Export the video. You can use compound clip instead of export. If you want to use this template in multiple projects, then you have to use the export option. Remove everything from the timeline, or you can start a new project and import the exported video. Add the template to the timeline. Move the video to the above track. I have added a video to the timeline and adjust the duration. Select the green skin template and enable the chroma key from the cutout tab. Remove the green color using the color picker tools. Select the below track video and go to the canvas option. Select the canvas type blur. I have selected the first one from 4 blur options. Reduce the size of the video and also change the position. Add the rectangle mask and adjust the size and position. The video must fit within the frame. I have reduced the opacity of the template to 60%. Now I will add logos and text. I have added a logo and adjust the size and position. You can use your company logo. I also add some text and place them on the white skin. Here I am not explaining adding and formatting text. You can also add animations for text. That's all from this tutorial. I hope now all of you understand how to create intro skin template using CapCut. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.